Good morning, guys. I just bought a car. This is probably the fastest purchase of my life. It's unseen. Here it is. Shout out to Motorsport Towing. Thank you. This is Saturday morning. It's about 8:45. Oh, she looks good. Look at that lip. Oh. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. Alright guys, here she is. Checking out the car. Got some nice boot space. Got the spares. Mind you, this is the first time I'm actually looking at the car properly. I bought this online and never had the chance to really look at anything inside the car. So yeah, you guys are gonna be looking at it with me. He pointed out there is a dent here, which is okay. I'm not fussed about that as long as there's no rust holes like the Civic. Got the rear lip. Got a couple dings on the doors I can see, but I'm not worried about the exterior. Overall, the paint looks really nice. It's so mint. Let's check the motor. K24. It's got BC VR coilovers on it already. Interior. Might need some detailing on the seats. Steering wheel looks a bit worn off from this. But overall, man, it's a manual K24 Honda Euro. I'm stoked. Alright guys, I'm back, more awake this time. So this happened this morning. So I literally found this car last Friday after work. Just quickly browsed, on Facebook Marketplace. And I initially wanted black trim and I wanted a grey Euro. So this one ticked all the boxes for me. So long story short, within 3 hours I put in the deposit. He provided like legit invoices, and yeah, this is like my first unseen, because being COVID we can't travel too far or anything within 5 kilometers of my home. So yeah, this is my first very scary purchase, but honestly the seller was so legit. And yeah, he knew his Hondas, so the trust was there, and this car was worked on the workshop I trust too. So that was a very good start to the car. But overall, very, very satisfied. And let's just take this out for a drive and stop talking, because I'm keen to drive. Ivan and his Evo doing some work still.
Yep.
It's January.
Don't worry about it.
I didn't update you guys on anything, but yes, Ivan has started his car. I have not put up a vlog about it.
It's a very messy.
It's a very messy vlog for this car, so I don't think I'll upload all of it, but I'll
just snippets of it.
Yeah, put snippets of it right now. So yeah, you can talk about what you've done, and I can just put some things up here now.
Well, turbo's in. Doing the plumbing, so the oil and coolant lines for the turbo, the valve cover. I need to get it resprayed again. showing signs of
Oh yeah,
yeah.
the valve cover was sprayed, but now it's
Oh, I might get a new one
Crinkling?
because this one here
showing crinkles.
he's already sanded back so far. So I might get a new one. Very very common, these magnesium. Heads on, timing is done. The timing cover is braked on me. I'm probably gonna leave it exposed for now. And if I find a carbon one, might just fit a carbon one because I'm running stock camshafts.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then
This is all spaghetti still, don't worry about that.
we got the fuel.
This is probably gonna go up for sale.
Oh, what? You gonna change it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to a different direction.
Oh,
So Radium makes these cool kits,
yeah.
and I should have just went for Radium, but I found that cheap and I'm like, oh, I can make it work. I can, but I don't have the fuel lines or anything to make it work, so
Yeah.
I might as well just buy a kit. So that's gonna go, and yeah, it should be. Oh, I bought an intercooler, a new intercooler.
Yep.
Front
It's
mount
not on
intercooler.
yet.
No. I'm going to order plasma mount intercooler pipes so I can use my stock battery. And yeah, coming on a bit slow, but happens when you get back to work full time.
People want to know how much power you're gonna make and what's the go, what's this project, what's the goal.
My goal is 300 kilowatts on E85, safe. It's plenty for this power, for this setup. This turbo, I've seen people push 350 kilowatts, but they all have built bottom end. I'm running stock bottom end and see how long that goes. It should be okay. And yeah, 300 kilowatts is plenty for me. I don't want to chase too much power. If I were to chase power, I wouldn't buy Evo, I'd just buy something else. It'll be more of a track car than roll racing or something. I'll take it to roll racing here and there. This is more of a track car. So Wakefield, London, yeah. Did you buy something because your car's like funny in that driveway?
Yeah, man, you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Interior?
Interior? Yeah.
I don't know, man.
This is what the vlog's gonna be, so...
I don't know, man. Your interior is complete, so I don't know what you bought. Maybe gauges or something? I don't know.
Alright, I'll
See?
show you. I don't know if you guys can guess, but here it is. Hey!
Oh wow. Blue.
Yeah,
Mate,
got the blue Recaros.
these go for coin.
SR4s, man. Gonna have some blue interior now.
That'd be clean. You steam clean it.
Yeah, and it's steam clean.
Especially here. What they comment here. Hey, you're running the same seats as the Evo. Yeah, see? I always knew you wanted
Oh, the Evo to SR4s as well?
Factory. Oh no, these are nice. I love these.
You like these?
Yeah, I love the blue. If I had a blue Evo, 100%. But these go for quite some dollars.
Nowadays,
So,
yeah.
Well, anything goes for dollars. So. We'll see, man.
Sorry for not uploading for a while. I just haven't touched the camera. It's been a break. In saying break, I hope you guys are having a good Christmas and New Year's. But this is probably going to be up in February, so yeah, hope you guys are having a good holiday and back to work. Anyway, so today we're about to do the seats for the Chaser. I got bride rails ready to be installed. These are pretty low, so I don't know how much lower I'm going to be sitting with these seats. As you guys know, I've always had these Recaros. It's a 30th anniversary one. It did come with the car, but there's not a matching pair that I can find as well. And also I've always wanted a blue seat. Not a red seat, but a blue seat. The carpets need changing as well because I got blue seats now. I can't find one that has blue and black checkered. That's what I really want. I've sussed out G Corporation. They don't make the blue and black checkered ones for the Chaser. If you have any recommendations on where I can get these blue checkered ones, just comment or let me know. and I'll get it straight away by G Corporation. They're such a good brand, but they don't make it for the Chasers. I've seen them make it for the RX-7. Hello. So we're about to change your seat.
Oh, great.
Are you gonna miss this OEM seat?
Yes.
You wanna sit on it last time? See how it feels?
It's comfy though. Why are you changing it?
Because race car.
It's so comfy. It's cushioned.
Race car? Race car! I can't put that in.
Race car. It's more of like a garage car. You're gonna park this car more than driving.
Wow. So yeah, this is it. This is your last time you're gonna sit on this. She's just been sitting here looking pretty every time I drive this car. God. But now you're gonna be more prettier with the blue seats. Hey babe, remember the last time I took out the seats? It was because we picked up Leo and he vomited. That's the last time I took out these seats.
Yeah, that's right.
And this dog right here, this is a cute monster.
This is a culprit. Look at the
Put him in the box, put him in the box.
Baby, come inside.
He vomited.
This is the first time. Not bad.
I love seeing my first year grow.
Are you proud?
Proud moment right here.
You look like a proud dad right now.
Yeah, I know. I wish it was a beer, but it's not. I was about to scratch his face.
No, can see it.
Man, where'd you get the hat?
Huh?
Where'd you get the hat?
Oh, this one right here. Work in progress. Ah, that's from Incomplete.
Incomplete.
I don't know if he has stock right now,
But it's incomplete. You get it?
but hey, but it's a work in progress. Hey.
Yeah,
I'll link it down in the description below. Yeah,
where's mine?
let's get back. You gotta convince the man to bring stock back if it's out of stock.
That's in a work in progress.
That is in a work in
And once
progress.
it's complete, miles for a hat. We'll see.
Since the seats are out, it's as you seen when I took out the seat the last time when I cleaned up the dog's vomit. It's a good time to vacuum. So that's your job, Linda.
What?
You want to
I thought I was
vacuum?
filming.
Yeah, you're vacuuming.
How do you feel? It's your last time sitting in this seat, babe.
I'm gonna miss these SR3s. I'll tell you why. For my body shape, I actually fit it so well. See that? How the legs are tight. So with the SR3s, it's a bit more like closer to your legs. So it fit me well. I didn't have to catch myself when cornering, and it fits my shoulders really tight. So it's good. With the SR4s, I realized it's a little bit wider. Hence why I told you it's gonna be more comfortable for yourself. But yeah, I'm just gonna try out the SR4s. If I don't like it, then I'll probably go back to SR3s eventually. But at the moment, I just really want a blue seats. So I'm gonna miss the SR3s. So if anyone's interested, hit me up. These are rare, and this is a genuine Recaro. Otherwise, I'm just gonna find a pair and sell off as that. So hit me up. Okay, there she is. That's number one. Hey, what you doing?
I'm gonna miss this seat.
You're really gonna miss this seat.
It's very comfy.
I'm gonna change your mind. The bucket seats are way more comfier, trust me.
I like this one.
Oh my god, guys, she's gonna really miss this seat.
Oh,
Not gonna lie though, the Series 2 Chaser seats are real comfy. Series 1 would be the same, just different trim. Let's see how it looks from the driver's side. Ooh, my god. Let's go in. Let's check this out. That's what I'm gonna be sitting on. Damn. I'm gonna love the blue behind me. Gosh, this is a dream. This is honestly what I should have done such a long time ago. Had a good offer, but I said no because I didn't have a job at that time. But now the price has doubled. So these ones came up. It wasn't cheap, but you know, when else am I gonna get it? And prices just keep getting ridiculous for any JDM part now. Unless, you know, I go to Yahoo or get an importer to import me one. But that all takes time, and these seats are rarely available when I ask. So yeah, these are in, and I'm so happy with how they look. Gosh, I'm not used to seeing a custom seat. So when I bought the Chaser, it came with the Recaros, and then now having two seats of my own that are aftermarket, I guess. These are from a DC5R, but this is my first time having two bucket seats at the same time in one car. That's why it's just insane. Oh, I gotta get used to this. Hey guys, as I was editing this video, I realized I didn't do an ending, so thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys had an amazing 2021, and from the bottom of my heart, I thank all of you for watching my content, and hopefully many more this year. I've just done some B-rolls for the Euro. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, many more things come this year. Again, thank you so much for watching my content, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, do whatever you need to do. This is my dream, to just keep YouTubing. So yeah, Instagram did see this car first, so all my latest updates will be on Instagram before YouTube these days. So if you haven't yet, follow my Instagram, and I'll see you next time.